Welcome back to the channel again, guys. You'll see we fixed the radiator. You see, we replaced that. So now it's time to replace the thermostat housing. It has two thermostats, you see. So we gotta replace the housing and both thermostat. Yeah, you see? Let me show you what we're dealing with here. This is the thermostat housing. One thermostat is right here, and the other one is in here. Yeah, I think it's in there. Or, let's see, maybe, get off of there now, get off. No, it's in there. You see it in there? Do you see that other thermostat in there? It's in this. It's in this over here. Yes, it's in there. So now, our job today is to replace that. We got an upgraded one, you see. We have the metal. This is, well, I think that's aluminum. Okay, so we have the plastic one here. So we're gonna change that plastic one out and get rid of it, you see. It is trash. It is trash. But we're gonna do what we did before. Yeah. We're gonna have to take a few things off, you see? A few things off of here. Yeah, we gotta take this thing out of here. Again, which is a 10 mil. Yeah. Got to get this off of here. I'm going to put that screw right up here. See it? I'm going to put that up there. Then we got to move this, you see? Where is my special tool for that? Okay, so let's remove this right here. Pop this up like this, you see. You can buy one of these tools. I made this myself, but you can buy something to pluck these things out of here. Yeah. I'm cheap, so I used a old broken screwdriver to do that. You see? Yeah. Make it easy for me. I'm just gonna pop that out like that. Okay. Oh. And we're gonna loosen the screw right here, you see? Yeah. We're gonna pull that off. And we're gonna pull this off. And that. And we're gonna yank this up, you see? Because it's plugged in at the bottom. Through these things right here. Yeah? Put this to the side. Okay? And I'm gonna lean that up there like that. You see. Let's pull that off as well. Put that up there. Okay, now the top radiator hose must come off. It gotta come off, you see. I'm gonna use this. Yeah. I'm gonna put that on there like that. And I'm gonna squeeze. I'm gonna pull it off like that. Ain't nothing but water in there anyway, so don't really care about that. water fall off. Who cares? Okay. Bottom hose. Pull it back. Come on. Wiggle, wiggle. Come off. Wiggle, wiggle, come off. Okay, you pull all the way out. Okay. Or maybe we should get the ones at the back there. I think these ones are gonna be a little rough. I think they're gonna be a little rough. You see? Let's see if we can get a better shot at this. Okay. Let's see. Okay, hold on just a second, guys. We can make this work. Okay, and we can pull that down a little bit, you see? Let's see if we can make this work, you see? Okay. Yeah. Okay, now, let's try that again. Where did I put my pliers? Okay. Got them ready here. Let's do this. Okay. Come on. You can do it. Just a little bit of force. Okay. I think we got it off of there. Yeah. This one. Get it from the top here. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we can kind of like pluck it off a little bit. I don't want to mess the holes up, so I better be careful doing this. So I better not do that. End up putting a hole in it, then we're screwed. Okay. We're gonna need our pliers to go to work a little bit, guys. We're gonna need our pliers to go to work a little bit. Just a little bit. We need to let them grab a hold to it and twist it around like that. Get it loose. Now we can pull it off like that, you see? Like that. Let's do this one down here as well. Oh, watch out there now. Okay. We got it. Now I can come on. Just like all that aqua. Because there's much radiator fluid in there. Because we've been putting water in here, you see? Just water. We gotta stop doing that. We have to stop doing that. So let's see where the screws are. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. I see 3. Let's see. Is there another one? I think there's 4, but I see 3. Just a second. Let me look at that. There's just 3. So we are good to go. Let's get these 3 out of here and we're good. Get these 3 out of here and we're good. Okay. It's 2. Okay. Now. Take them out. Let's remove the screws. You see? Yeah. 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 Okay, that one's kind of, it's not tight, it's just hard to turn with your fingers. Okay. Okay. That's the first one. Yeah. Come on, you see. It's another one. These things are in there. Okay, that's the second one. And this is the third and final. How do you guys like the professional voice? Or is it not professional? It's just stupid. I don't know. You tell me. Okay, we move this. Okay, now it should come off, guys. It should come off. Oh, I forgot we gotta pluck that last one off because it ain't on this. It's a hold on. See that? You can see this rubber, this metal pipe. Forgot all about that. And there you go. I do see why it's leaking, guys. I do see why this thing is leaking. See that? It is over tightening. It's over tighted. Look at that. That's why this thing is leaking. And right here on the thermostat too. Look at that. Flattened. Water was coming out through here. And water was coming out probably down here on this one. I can see that very clear. Yeah. I can see that very clear. Can we use this old sensor right here? Because I don't know if the one on there is going to work. It should, but I don't know. But we're going to keep that one on there for right now. We got it off, you guys. This is it. And I see why it was leaking. I see why it was leaking. Really, the only thing we need to replace was this, and this, the thermostat. But could we buy this by itself? Oh no. No, we couldn't. It needed replacing, guys. You see that? It's broken right there. Right here, it's broken. See that? Man, that's why that's why they make the new updated ones. You don't gotta worry about just falling apart on you like this. See that? It was brick. These things brittle and fall apart. They literally fall apart on you. they literally fall apart on you. So, trying to see how you take this filter off, this sensor off over here. Oh, bug. Bug try to get jumpy on me. Bug try to get jumpy on me. Mess around and find out. Okay. We gotta wash this thing down. Let's get some okay, let's wipe this thing down really good. Okay. I don't know where that other piece, that piece of plastic that broke off, I don't see where that went. Hopefully it disintegrated and melted away. We don't want that to be somewhere in the engine and gonna cause problems later on. We don't want that to happen, you see. I wish I can clear those off a little bit better, but we don't want to mess nothing up. This is aluminum. We don't want to mess nothing up by doing too much. You see? We don't want to mess nothing up by doing too much. You know, we just want to clean it up so the other one can fit good. That's all we want. And I think that's good enough. I think that's good enough, you see. Now, let's take this rubber thing off right here and replace it. We got one that came with the new one. So, let's pull that off. Yeah. Pull that off, you see. Man, I scratched that a little bit on the outside. Hope that's not a problem. You see that, guys? I scratched that a little bit. I hope it's not a problem. I don't think it will be. I don't think it will be a problem, you see. I don't think this needs to go on a certain way. You see? Let's just see if we can get it on there. Up and around. Roll it. Now it's on there. Okay, it's on there. I think that's good. That should be good. Okay. Now, let's get the replacement. Guys, all metal, you saw it earlier. Okay, I'm gonna put the thermostat in here. I'm pretty sure. Okay, we're gonna put it in here like so, guys. Okay, just like that. Okay, now we gotta see how you put it on here. You see, slide it in place. Okay, and get it on there. Get out of my way. Okay. Okay, guys. We got it. I think we got it on there. I think that part is on there. Now let's get the... Uh-oh. This thing better be right, man. Oh, let's get back into character. Yeah. It better be right, you see. Let's put this screw in here. It should fit perfectly. Okay. That feel kind of tight, you see. I don't like the way that fitting. That feel kind of too snug. Okay, let's see. Is that turning in there? It is. So, let's do the other one. Okay. Let's get the one back up in here. Yeah. Let's get that one. Let's make sure it goes in good. Okay. Okay. Screwing in good. We don't want to over tighten it because that's what happened to that last one. Got tightened too. That got tightened too tight, you see? And the bad part about it, I think I did it. I think I did that, guys. Yes, I think I did. Matter of fact, I know I did. Why would I put thinking that when I know I did that? You see, I did it. I over tightened it. Now, I know it's going to be 159 torque inches, right? I think so. 159 foot inches. 159 inch pounds. That's what it is. Okay. So I know that now, so I have to. That's how I gotta put this on here, you see? I gotta make sure it is 159 inch pounds. Okay? So, for right now, I'm gonna just barely tighten them. Just get them a little snug, but not crazy tight. Okay? Because we want to do the torque. Okay? Now, we have to torque it. Let's do that. Okay, guys, now it's time to torque this thing. Okay, that's what we're going to do here. We're going to torque it. Wait, I better make sure this is it, guys. I better make sure it's 159. Just a second. Okay, and it is indeed 159 inch pounds. Let's do that. Just want to get it Okay. Okay, that's right. That's right. Okay. And that's where it is, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, guys, I don't know why the video stopped recording. It just stopped, oh man. So I'm trying to see what's going on here. Okay, so let's finish this before this camera stop again, okay? Now, let's see. So now, let's put these back hoses back on again, shall we? Let's put those back on because we okay, let's do this. Okay, slide it back on there, you see. Want to get it close to where it been. Alright, we want to get it, let's see how this goes, okay? Because we don't want to mess this up. These things need to go exactly how they came off, okay? Let's see. Come on. I think that this one goes pretty much like this, you see. I think that goes pretty much like that, you see. And I want to put that back on there. Like it came off. Okay. Now we got that one on. Okay. This one I think was, wait a minute. Yeah, I think this one was down a little bit. Was it? Do you remember? Was it down a little bit? Was it? Okay. Okay. Oh, man. I think this one was basically like this, you see. I think it was. I could be mistaken. Let's see. Let's shine a light on it. I don't think that's how that one been, guys. I'm looking at it now, and I do not think that one been like that. So we gotta make sure it's right. Take it back off again. Maybe, let's see. Is that right? Guys, I think now that's right. No, that's not right either. Okay. I think we can get it though. Right there. That's right. That's right, my guys. That is right. It's on there now. Okay. Okay. Now, let's put this one on. Okay. Slide this on here. It's good. You'll see. Now it's time for the top, the bottom, and top hose. You see? Alright. Okay. Okay, I'm trying to see how this goes, guys. Let me get this thing slide all the way up on there. Okay. Okay. Oh, man. Okay. Let's see if we can move it easily like this. We want to go back in the same location it came off, in which I think this is it right here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we got that bottom one on, guys. Now it's time for the top one. Okay. It's all the way over here. Let's get out of there, you stupid water. Okay. I believe this one is on here. Yeah, this one is down there in the spot it was in before. So this one, Lord. Let's see here. This cord is in my way, it's blocking my view. So I gotta come up and around or come over like this and put and clamp it, you see? I gotta come clamp it like this. Let's do it. Let's do it ahead of time, shall we? Get it, clamp it, get it. Okay, let's see. Keep it pretty much where it is. Come on, you stupid piece of crap. Okay. We're gonna have to do something I don't want to do, but we're gonna have to do it. Get this over with. I'm gonna have to get it off, then put it back on that way. Okay. Slide it up. Okay. Slide it up. Okay. Now, get it on. Okay. Come over here. How far did I go on it? That's perfect. Let's turn it. Hold on. Let's do it from this angle so we can just slide it on there. There's the way it goes. I think so, guys. I think we're good here. No, I'm doing this job here. You see? How soon is that?
Probably an hour.
You're gonna believe in an hour. I should be finished here way before then. Yeah? Okay. Okay, guys, we got it all on. We're done. We're done with the installation, guys. It is done. It is done. Now, Just gotta put everything back together, you see? Put everything back together. The job is done. Now we will have to bleed the system. Leak all that old water out. Though we don't have any distilled water, I should have bought some, you see? I should have bought some distilled water. Should have bought some distilled water. So let's put this stuff back together, and I'll just do the rest off camera, you see? So that's what we'll do here. We're gonna plug these back on. Push that back in, like that. Push that down. Clip this back on, you see? Then we're gonna put this back on. Okay, just like so. Plug that down, and then put the screw back in here. And guys, we're done. Okay, this job is done, you see. Well, we got a little stuff to do. We gotta put this back on there. It's not all we done, but basically it is. Okay, screw this. Yeah, and put this back on. Okay, like so. Okay, where does this thing go? Back in here, don't it? Yeah, it goes under here. Okay, guys, let's do this, and we're done. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Got the thermostat housing in there, the upgraded thermostat, the upgraded thermostat made out of aluminum instead of this falling apart plastic, you see? Garbage. I don't know why they start putting these old junk on these cars. It's a piece of crap. I don't know why they started that crap. Okay, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next one, in the yard. It can be any of the yards, but I think it's gonna be yard 2. We might be starting back with that. Okay, guys, peace.